PCB selective soldering process. During pretreatment, the circuit board is degreased and cleaned to remove surface contaminants, and flux is sprayed to enhance solderability. The circuit board is fixed by a positioning fixture, and the vision recognition system acquires pad coordinates to achieve 0.1 mm precision positioning of the soldering gun. The preheating stage uses gradient heating up to pack minus 220 degrees Celsius to eliminate internal stress in the board and prevent deformation during soldering. The 380 degrees Celsius solder liquid in the solder pot forms a stable wave under nitrogen protection. The soldering gun engages according to the preset program, completing the metallurgical bonding of solder joints within 3 to 5 seconds, with continuous nitrogen protection to prevent oxidation. After soldering, a rapid cooling process is adopted to make the solder joints crystallize quickly. Finally, the AOI inspection system uses 3D scanning to comprehensively check the quality of solder joints and eliminate micron-level defects.